Well,
right, okay, we started. We're mixing some eggs, we're making a thing, and I'm putting some gelatin in. I'm just adding stuff that I've found. I thought I'd make a sweet thing, and well, gelatin and eggs not a good start for sweet stuff. Neither's, I guess, cream cheese, because that's what that is. But you know, it seemed pretty funky, so I might put it in. I'm sure it'll work. It's all those things I like it separately, so there's the old rule, if you like it separately and you put them together, that should turn out alright. Give it a bit of a mix up. And then we put some stuff, honey. Yeah, so that's on the bottom of that tray there. I'm using a tray and putting a bit of honey, a bit of sweet stuff, because I want to get it all sticky and you know, nicey. Use your fingers back in there. Now mix it up with in this case I'm using what is called a knife. Turns out that's not the best thing to use because it just wouldn't sit flat. I wanted a flat base and it's not doing it, so yeah, bring out the finger. The same finger I've been using for the honey and the cream cheese and stuff. Now we're going to pour that, what is it, the egg, sour cream and what, something else? Gelatin. I don't know why I put gelatin in there. I thought it might set better. When you got egg, the egg's going to set pretty good. And get everything off that fork. You need that stuff there. Now we've got a chia seed. This will be interesting. Chuck some hard chia seeds in. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, just a little bit. You don't want too many chia seeds in your thing. No, you want a little bit more than that. A bit more than not enough, but not too many. And that's just right, I think. What else we're mixing with the old knife. And I'm trying not to make a mess here, so using as little as possible. Just a knife and a fork and a tray, and add some cream to it. Surely that'd help. That's the last of it, so get every last good drop there. Give it a bit of a mixy. Don't worry about that spillage. That'll soak back in. I'm sure it will. And mixing it up. Then what, mate? Oh yeah. Then I thought, well, as for seasoning, let's put a bit of lemon rind on it. Now I don't want to use one of those flash lemon rind things, so I just thought I'd slice it off. It's a little bit slow, this process, because you don't want to get the pith, the white stuff. You just want the rind, the yellow. I don't know why. I heard someone say that once. So I'd sort of be clever, rather than using a fancy machine which you've got to wash, just use a knife. I sped that up. That's pretty boring, but it's not good. And get every little bit of gold off there. Okay, in the oven she goes. And that's in the oven. And then I set it to 0 by the looks of that. But I'm pretty sure that says 200, which sounds pretty extreme. But that's what it was. So I left it in there for a little bit, and it was going brown, so I thought, well, that's the time to pull it out. I have no idea how long that was. Could have been 10 minutes. I don't know. Let's have a look then at this golden goodness. It looks yummy. It looks real yummy. So I thought I'd check it, to see if anything's wrong with it. Clearly something is wrong, because it's ghosty. I'm looking a bit ghosty there. But a double image doesn't look right, so it looked a bit sloppy. So, yep. Pick that up, put it in the oven, put it back in the oven, turn it on, and before you know it, take it out. And she is ready and golden. Now I don't think I'll go any more than this. This is on the verge of too much. Listen to this. Yeah, that sounds good, doesn't it? That sounds great. Let's have a quick check in here. Pull it apart. Yeah. Nothing sloppy there, so that's good. Nothing sloppy, just nice bit of stickiness. That's what I was after. I don't know if the gelatin did that or the egg, or probably didn't need the gelatin, but just shows you it doesn't really matter. Okay, here we go. Let's try and get this sucker out, because there's that stickiness at the bottom. But before you do that, get your favourite plate, your favourite superhero plate. And SpongeBob, of course, is a superhero. Ooh, yeah, let's get how to get that out. Let's just dump it. Right. Yeah, a bit black, a bit burnt at the bottom. But try and get all those little bits off, they'll be nice and tasty. Maybe they weren't. I think I tried some that wasn't what I thought it would be, but certainly a bit of a delicacy, really. Although
What are you doing?
could taste better, could taste stronger.
Ah.
But I guess that's why I put the cream on it. It's just add a bit more decadence. But I do believe it filled me up at the end of it. Not much tea. That was sort of tea and pudding in one, isn't it? Have a bit of a taste.
Don't really know. Sort of a cheesecakey thing.
It's cream on it.
Mm.
Yeah, pretty average. I don't know what else would go in there. Maybe a bit of cheese. Oh, wash up. Oh, Christ. So it's not normal procedure here. It's just trying to clean it and scraping it. Doesn't seem to be very effective. The old brush, no, that didn't work either. That works though. Just leave it. You might get lucky. And here you go. The final product.